Hi, my name is Manuela. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create these colorful images that you see on the internet using your smartphone. And the first thing you're going to do now is to open up your browser, and you're going to move to this site bing.com. So I'm going to search for the site bing.com. Before you do this, make sure your browser is on desktop mode. If you don't know how to do it, just tap on these three dots here, and then go down there. You're going to see something like desktop site. Now select it, and it's going to give you a desktop site like this. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is to move up, and then you're going to know like images, videos, maps, and news. So select, tap on images, and then you have something like this here. Our next thing we're going to do is to tap on create to create our um colorful images or colorful images that we see on the internet. So for the next thing we're going to do now is to type in your prompt here. So I'm going to be sending a prompt to you, and then I must have already sent the prompt to you. So you're going to type in the image that you want to, the kind of image you want to get. Now this is what I use: 3D colorful splash of pink with white, and pink and white with metallic text, Ella, include rubies and diamonds on the letter, and have a crown above the letter. Or let's say, and have a crown with wings. Just depends on what you want, but the prompt should not be far from this. Okay, so now that I have that, I'm going to tap on create. So you're going to wait for it to, it might take a while, but it's going to create the image. So let's wait for it to create. So once our image is created, you're going to download it directly. Okay. So you actually the way it's going to the download it depends on your network. So if your network is really fast, it will download fast. But then if it's slow, it might take time to download. But just wait it out. It's definitely going to download. So now that we have this, let's say I don't like what I'm seeing here. Then I want something else. Before that, let me show you how you can download this image that you have created. Now I'll tap on it. Tap on this image. Alright, so now that we have our text here, our image, you can just click on download. Click on download, and then it's going to download the file immediately. Then you tap on open, then it's going to directly open it in your, it's going to be in your gallery now. Alright, so let's go back to the site. Let's say I don't like what I'm seeing here. You see a lot of options here. You can see lots of options of what you can use here. Now some people might ask, how do I get the prompts? How do I get the prompts? How do I know what to do? Now let's try it for Lucy. Let's try for this. Let's say I want to get the prompts for this Lucy. I'm going to tap on view image. Don't forget to tap on view image, then tap on these three dots up here, and then tap on download. You can see download here. You can see start, download, and this information, and then refresh. So tap on download. Then it's going to download this file. This has already downloaded to your gallery immediately. So I'm going to move to ChatGPT, and then I'm going to send me prompts. I'm going to send this image to it and ask it for the prompts. So once you send this image to ChatGPT, it's going to give you the prompts for this particular image that you just saved from the gallery. So I'm going to add this, and then okay, so let's wait for ChatGPT to give you the exact prompt for this image. It already gave you the prompt. So once you have this prompt, you can just use it just like how I used the previous ones, and then you can get your text or your image just exactly like this. I hope you understood and you learned something from it. You can also try some other things on these sites. Thank you for watching and bye.